Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I am the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ARBKF, BBKCF, CRSM, EEENF, ENMI, MJWL, NLST, NSAV, and RSHN. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. And with that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video, hit the red subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. Stocks like LWLG at $2.55, ENZC at 0.014, MJWL at 0.014, ALPP at 7.5 cents. Once you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus your area code and number. Remember, never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And this is the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times if we come across something exciting that we want to get out to our subscribers right away, we will send a text-only alert. So this is why it's important to be signed up for both email and text. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. The stock really to talk about this week is NSAV. Overall, it was a lackluster week on the OTC markets. It is July. It's the last week of July. You have the summer doldrums. But NSAV has just been a tremendous runner. It's been a 10-bagger for the month of July. And if you look on the site, we have covered it numerous times, starting all the way back in February. Before this big run, we told our subscribers about it, ran to 7 cents, pulled back, and then it ran again. Again, folks, I say this over and over again, always book profits. Even Monday, I know some of you aren't going to like to hear this, but let's see how the price action is. But I recommend selling into strength, not weakness. You want to buy on weakness, sell into strength. Just take some money off the table. If you made 10 times your money, just take some off. When the dip comes, you can reload. Because nothing ever goes straight up. We got the RSI, it's already at 92. It is entering oversold territory, so just keep that in mind. But overall, I mean, we still think over the long run it goes much higher, but you might want to consider booking some profits. Please don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help you guys out as best I can. And we've been all over this one. We've talked about it in potential bottom plays. We talked about NSAV back in March, and then middle of the month we did another update on NSAV. We said 4 OTC stocks with growth potential. So congrats if you caught the move in NSAV. And they're getting ready to become only the second public company with a crypto exchange, second publicly traded US company. So and they got some big guys behind it. This guy Mr. Wong, this is the guy you want to keep an eye on. He's a managing partner at Bitmart Exchange. This is one of the largest crypto exchanges. He's also a partner at Silver Bear Capital, an investment banking firm. So this is the guy that we're all watching, and this is the guy you got to pay attention to when it comes to NSAV. But overall, really, outside of NSAV, we got some bounce in ARBKF, which is a blockchain play. BBKCF, big digital assets, also saw a nice bounce, and it's bouncing off of Bitcoin. So let's see if Bitcoin can make a run to 45,000. This is going to keep the momentum in all the BTC crypto penny plays. So we like what we're seeing in Bitcoin and remain bullish over the long run. CRSM, nice month, rallied from the penny level to 5 cents. Decent week bounce. Sorry guys, a little early here in the morning. Nice bounce here on last week. EEENF, guys, this one is just coiling. This one looks like it's just getting ready to explode. This is a hold. A lot of people are really behind this one. A lot of big money behind it. Just waiting for the weather and get some new drill results up in Alaska. We still think this play has enormous potential, and we eventually see 88 Energy as a takeover play. ENMI, new highs. We talked about this one the other day. ENMI over here, 4 OTC stocks gaining momentum. ENMI, it's all on the site. You just go to this little magnifying glass, type in your symbol, and there it'll all be. So this one, new highs. Congrats if you caught that move in ENMI. MJWL, this is another crypto play. Tremendous run. Subscribers in just above a penny, ran all the way to 26 cents. Guys, this is where the profit taking comes in. You're seeing a retracement of 50%, very common in OTC. So if you're new to OTC, it's very common to see stocks pull off 50, 60, 70, 80, sometimes even 90% off the highs. So, it's definitely, these are story stocks. A lot of momentum players get in, and then when the momentum or the story dies out, meaning there's nothing new to say, it pulls back. Case in point is Humble. I know you guys, this was the stock of the year last year, HMBL. Our subscribers got in at 0.027. It's just been dead money, and I know you guys don't want to hear that are humble bulls, the next PayPal, but you can't keep repeating the same story and get people exciting. The story happens, and everyone gets on board, and if there isn't regular news, new updates, progress, revenues, deals happening, people lose interest, and that's what's happening in Humble. So I've been doing this a long time. I know some of you younger guys are going to say, okay, boomer, but the fact is the fact. Facts are facts. They once said, you may be entitled to your own opinion, but you're not entitled to your own facts. And the fact is, Humble right now is dead money. We will revisit it when things get exciting again. But right now, there's other plays that are happening. NSAV, this is the new Humble. This is what people are paying attention to right now. This has news, crypto exchange. They're executing. It's got the buzz, and this is why the stock is running. So, guys, go where the money is. Don't fall in love with these stocks, please. It's just not, you gotta take your profits. When you get these big runners, you make 10 times your money, book profits, please. All it takes is 1 or 2 OTC stocks, to deliver huge gains, that more than makes up for any losers than you have. I mean, I preach over and over again on this channel, it's so important to be diversified. Some that's owning, as many as 10 to 20 or more OTC stocks. Some will work, some won't. but you get the NSAV that runs, you get 10x on your money. It more than makes up for any of your losers, as long as you stick with putting roughly the same amount of money in each play. Don't own 20 stocks, but 90% of your capital's in one. That's just not going to work. I mean, it's okay to be 90% in one if it's all profit, but if you're starting with an initial account of 10 grand, if you got 9 grand in one stock and 1,000 in 10, $100 in 10, that's going to end badly. So just try to diversify, invest like a venture capitalist. They know some deals aren't going to work, but the ones that do are absolute home runs. So case in point is NSAV. RSHN, this one was a big runner earlier in June. Big winner in June for our subscribers. Crashed, came back down, and based around a 0.004, and now it's back up above a penny. So stocks run, stocks collapse. Buy dips, sell rips. Use weakness, look for basing activities, learn to use the 20, 50, and 200-day moving averages to your advantage. You will see that these stocks they after they run, they come back down to these 20 and 50-day moving averages. Case in point was RSHN. The 20-day is 0.0065, 50-day was 0.0057. The areas was strong support. You bought in there, you got a double right now. Right now, NSAV, that's the big winner of the month. Other than that, it's been, hit and miss. You've had to book profits along the way, and if you got 50% gains, you had to take it. It's the summer months. I've been doing this a long time. The market that really gets hot, where you get the big runners, that's usually October, November, into February. That's what we saw last year, and that's when a tremendous amount of money was made. But right now you want to be nimble, you want to have a lot of cash, and you want to be very, very selective. And that's what we're doing for our subscribers. We're 1 or 2 alerts a week. We're sending them right at the bell, so this way everyone can get a fresh look right at the bell, and act on it, and that's what we're trying to do, get everyone positioned. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. I'm doing scans this weekend. Right now the area that I like is the sub pennies. This is where you can get the triple digit runners right now. If you can get the market makers short, these low floaters, that's where there's a lot of potential right now. So I'm running screens this weekend. Let's see how the markets are as the new week starts. Take it one day at a time. So, just keep in mind, it's the summer. You want to be flexible. Don't get greedy, and, book profits when you can. So, with that being said, folks, going to wrap all this up. Make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. I'll have 1 or 2 alerts coming this week, and my focus right now is the sub pennies. So under a penny, that's what I'm looking for right now for subscribers. So go ahead and sign up, and I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend, and I'll be coming live to you soon with a new video. Thank you, take care, and have a great day. Bye-bye.